What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, you see me? So in today's video I'm just gonna show you the gear I use slash the gear I invest in. You see me? So we're gonna just get right into it. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the big boy, the camera. I welcome you, the Sony A7 S3. Alright, so you know me have to pull up my phone for me to see what I go on. You see me? Alright, so I'm recording my phone now, so here's the Sony A7 S3. It have a little bit of accessories on it, as you can see, a tripod, lens, external microphone. You see me? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull apart them and then I'm gonna see the camera itself, you see it? Alright, so this is the external microphone. You see me? So we can get better audio for you. Alright, so we're gonna remove the lens now. Alright, so we'll just remove the lens. And as you can see, without the lens you can't see no. You see me? So here is the Sony A7 S3. When I really want to remove it from the spot here, you see, come and set it up for with the chair there. You see, but see, I can go now better look. You see me? And you know, it have a flip screen, so I can see myself. You see me? So we should just turn it so if you have a video, somebody or a video object, you can see. But if you have video yourself, you just flip the screen and then anything with the right, just say you can see it. You see me? Yeah, so it's pretty simple. You flip out the screen. You flip the screen to so and then so you can see anything we have video, you see me? And then you just pull it out back. You can also go that way here too. You see it? Yeah, so this is the Sony A7 S3, you see me? Alright, so I bought the Sony A7 S3 off Amazon. I paid 4,000 US for it, but the camera is valued at 3,500 US. But this is a camera that's very hard to get, meaning at the time when I was looking on the camera, it was sold out everywhere, right? But Amazon had it, but they had it in a bundle, right? So I end up spent $500 more for the bundle because you get like some little small accessories like tripod, memory card and so forth and some other stuff, right? This camera is just a creator's dream, you see me? It's just unbelievable. The quality is just on another planet. But to amount of settings that it have, it kind of tricky because I'm going to a quick example. Right now, I have a video in our picture profile that's called X-Log3. You see it? Which you have to do color grading for it. So I'm going to show you a prime example of where it looks straight out of the camera and then how it looks when I edit it on my laptop and color grade it. Alright, so this is how the camera look with the picture profile S-Log3 straight out of the camera. Alright, and then this is how it look with the picture profile S-Log3 edited and color graded. You see me? You can see the difference. See what I talk about. You see me? So the settings kind of tricky. I just start learning how to use the camera and thing, but me get used to it and get the experience and forget. You see me? Alright, so if you've been watching my channel, you know that I normally use my phone to video. You see me? Now I use the camera. I go on a quick comparison. So I'm gonna see how the camera look of me videoing right now. And then I'm gonna pull up my phone, go on the camera and video that same exact spot at where I am and show you the quality. You see it? Alright, so this is how I look at my phone. You see me? Compared to what I see on the camera before. You see me? So you can see the big difference. This is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. You see it? Sony A7 S3, and you can see the big difference, you see it? Alright, so you don't know, big up to Kimani James. He's the one that brought the camera from overseas for me. You see me? So you don't know, Kimani, big up yourself, you see it? Right now we're gonna move on to the next gear, you see me? Alright, so next we have the external microphone, which is the Rode Micro Compact. You see me? Right now you get the audio quality straight out of the camera. But this external microphone, I bought it off Amazon. I paid like $60 for it. You see me? So this is a microphone that I'm using for the Sony A7 S3. Alright, so the next gear is a part of the main camera. Again, I have to be videoing with my phone because once you remove the lens, you won't see anything off the camera. So this lens is a Tamron 70-28 f 2.8mm lens, you see me? I'm going to remove it off the camera and I'm going to see what I go on. Alright, so as you can see, Tamron 17 to 28mm f 2.8 lens. You see me? This is more like a vlogging lens. I bought this off Amazon for like $850. You see me? But it was on a sale. I think the original price for it is like 1200 or 1300 US. Somewhere in that region. You see me? But I'm really happy with this lens. It's really good quality, you see it? Next we have the GoPro Hero 10 Black action camera. I bought this camera for like 440 US or something like that. You see me? I'm going on a closer look. You see me? This camera now, small, really small. Can go up to 5K. It literally can hold in your pocket because I have a stand on it, as you can see. You see me? But this will come in handy for some small clips, you see it? So yeah, the GoPro Hero 10 Black, you see me? Big up to Justin, Just Boss. He's the one that brought in the GoPro for me from overseas, you see me? Really appreciate it. Justin, big up yourself, you see me? Alright, so with the GoPro, you get a little case that say GoPro on it, you see me? But I don't really think I'm going to use the case as much to how small the GoPro is. You can just literally slot it in your pocket. Or if you have a bag that you normally walk with, you literally can just slot it in your bag and don't really take up no portion of space, you see it. So, alright, so the next gear that we have is a drone. This is the case that the drone come in, you see me? If you can look on it, you can see it said DJI, you see me? Case like, it do it tough though, you see it? It hold the drone and the accessories that come with the drone, you see it? So, pull out the drone out of your bag and make you see what going on. Alright, so this drone is the DJI Air 2S, you see me? I bought this drone off Amazon. I bought the combo. The combo is valued at 1,299 US, practically 1,300, right? You see me? So this is the drone that I'll be using for the drone footage, you see it? So I'm going to a quick startup for the drone and I'm going to see what I go on. Big up to Justin again. He's the one that brought the drone from overseas for me. You see me? So Justin, mad respect, you see it? So this is the controller for the drone. You see me? DJI. Pretty simple. These are the propellers. And you get 2 spare batteries when you buy the combo. You see me? So these are the 2 spare batteries. And I think you get a charger set and so forth for all of the batteries. You see? Alright, so we have the controller connected. And as you can see, you see me? I see me can just go now. I look up, move off, because I'm not try do no foolishness, you see it? And I can see what I go on. Yes, so I'm not really too master drone it, as you can see. I don't want it to get too close to me because if them properly ever catch you, chop that I can chop you up a seed. So I try for like master the flying of the drone and thing, you see. But in the long run, me catch it, you see. Yeah, so the final gear we have on my laptop, it me use and edit 2019 Intel i9 MacBook Pro, you see. So normally what I use my phone, iMovie, but now I use my laptop, Adobe Premiere Pro. The previous video I'm gonna drop is a 4-minute video. I'm gonna take like 4 hours to edit that 4-minute video there because of how much things is inside Adobe Premiere Pro. You see, like you really step it up to a professional level once I use Adobe Premiere Pro. You see, compared to iMovie I'm used to use for my phone. You see, that's just more like some basic stuff. You see me, but yeah. This I use I edit. It not really are like raw files. Some for the Sony A7S3 to how powerful the camera is. The laptop can't manage, so I end up have to use some when Adobe Media Encoder for like smaller the file size. so the laptop can manage it, you see. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. You see me? I practically gone through all of the gear and thing. So you don't know more I say. Respect for you watch the video. You see me? Respect for you watch performance. You don't know me, appreciate it. You see me? So one thing forward, you see, time to put in the work and thing back again. Get back on track. So again, thanks for watching performance, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.